everyone. I'm here tonight. I'm making a 7-pound cake. And as y'all can see, I'm going to give y'all the ingredients. Okay, in my mixer, let me show you. In my mixer, I have three sticks of butter. And over here, I have 3 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, 5 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of lemon extract. Okay, and some 7-Up. Okay, y'all, let's get started. Okay, like I say, in here, in my mixer, I have 3 sticks of butter. I'm getting ready to add my sugar. And my sugar. Let me turn it up a little bit because we want to cream this. Okay. After my butter and sugar creams, I'm going to be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm getting ready to stop my mixer. Stop it. Okay. As y'all can see, I have let this the butter and the sugar cream. You have to cream it. See how it looks? You let the butter and sugar cream. Okay. And now I'm going to get ready to add my eggs. One at a time. Remember, we had 5 eggs. We're going to add 1. This one. Turn it up just a little bit. Okay. Okay. Pull this up. Get this over here. Okay. Okay, let me get ready to add my lemon extract, lemon and vanilla extract. Okay. This recipe also calls for 1 cup of 7-Up. Get ready to pour it. Okay. Let me pour my, because what I'm getting ready to do, I'm going to get ready to alternate these. I'm going to add some of my flour in. You can see. Y'all, I got one of those things that you can pour this in and it will be better, but I decided not to use it, which I should have. Okay, I'm going to add some more flour. And then I'm going to add some of my 7-Up. Let me slow it down just a little bit. Okay. Add some more flour. And some more 7-Up. Okay. Some more flour. I'm going to put all the remaining of the flour in there. Now I'm getting ready to add of my 7-Up. Did y'all see that splatter? Yes, it did. Okay. We're going to let that mix. Y'all, that's it. Those are all the ingredients in a 7-Up cake. Can y'all believe that? I used to make these cakes all the time. Well, not all the time. I used to make them quite a bit. But then I stopped making a whole lot of sweets. Okay. Let me slow it down so I can stir. Need to stir it. Y'all, these little tools I got from cooking tools I bought from Walmart, they are so very, very handy. I finished with this. Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to put my batter into this bunk pan. But I bought some of this Pam, it's a baking spray, and so that's what I'm going to use. Y'all see this Pam baking spray? This is what I'm going to use. Some people do it the old-fashioned way. They either put the shortening or the butter down there in the pan. They'll wipe it off in the pan and then put the flour, but I'm not going to do that because I'm pushing for time. So I'm going to spray because this right here has flour and so I don't suppose have to worry about this sticking. Okay. Alright. Getting ready to put my cake. See, getting ready to over in here. I'm doing this to keep from getting in front of the camera. I want y'all to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, like if I have too much batter, what I do, I can either make cupcakes. But I think I may be able to put it all in here. But if not, that's what I'm going to do. I think I'll be good. Okay, I think it's the end of it. I got a little bit more, y'all. A little bit more. Okay, there we go. Okay. So how have y'all been doing today? Let me wipe my hands. To me, every day is a blessed day, you know. We're in the land of the living, so we're having a blessed day. Okay. All right, y'all. That's the way I do it. And I'm going to put this in a 325-degree oven. And as soon as this gets done, I'm going to be right back. Okay, my cake I have taken it out of the oven. It was in there maybe like an hour and 5 minutes or something like that. I guess it all depends on what kind of stove you got, and you know. So anyway, I'm getting ready to cut this cake. Let me move it over. Let y'all be the first to see how it looks. Y'all hear that crunchy part? I love to hear that crunch of that 7-Up cake. Oh, look, y'all. Look at that. Look at that piece of cake. And I like the crunchy edges of that 7-Up cake. But anyway, I want to thank everyone who have subscribed to my channel. I'm getting ready to go. I love y'all. Bye-bye for now.